in the real world. So researchers reconstructed recognizable facial images from, this is so crazy, a facial recognition model by querying it thousands of times with gradient-based optimization. This was so crazy, I had to research it, and I found a couple of instances where this is happening, and I wanted to know more about it. So they're going to query it over and over again to gather information from that model, from the training data, and then they can reconstruct faces based off of that. If you had a model that was doing facial recognition or something like that, that would be something you could use to reconstruct the faces using, isn't that ridiculous? It's so crazy, some sci-fi shit. So anyway, what could you do to protect against this? Differential privacy during training. So you're mixing in different information if somebody tried to do this, you could make it so that it's going to be much harder for them to reconstruct faces by doing differential privacy during